How to turn off aim assist in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Aim assist can help in shooting and targeting enemies automatically, but some players prefer turning it off for more precise manual control. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game on a device, and once you're inside the main screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the terminal section, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner, and once you do, on the next page, tap on this third option on the left corner, which is camera setting over here. Scroll down and then go to assisted aiming and turn it off. After you turn this off, your crosshair and attacks will rely on manual control. Now, you can get back to the lobby page, and there you have it. That is how you turn off aim assist in Wuthering Waves. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.